A UK-based smartphone brand Nothing has launched its new smartphone under Nothing Phone 3 lineup globally as Nothing Phone 3A Lite, with a unique rear panel design. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Nothing Phone 3A Lite features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus flexible AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Panda Glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Nothing Phone 3A Lite sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Nothing OS 3.5 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 3 years of Android updates and 6 years of security patches. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 78 by 8.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Nothing Phone 3A Lite has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in black and white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nothing Phone 3A Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.